guys, welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see how I did this super simple and cute gold glitter eyeshadow look, then please keep on watching. I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the color Chestnut to set my eyelids. I've already done my brows off camera, but I'll leave a link in the description box on how I went ahead and did that for you. Next, I'm going in with the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. And I'm just going to put that on my lids as well, setting in that concealer. I'm going in with the Juvia'S the Nubian 2 eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using my Morphe M330 brush, and I'll be taking the color Kenya and putting that on the outer corners of my eyes as well as over my crease line, and I'm just going to blend that in very well. Next, I'll be going back in with that same concealer, and I'll be putting that on my eyelids to basically make the mark on where I want the gold eyeshadow and glitter to go. And then I'll just be blending that in on the top with a brush. And I'm just looking up and down to make sure that the concealer is covering the upper eyelid area as well as my crease so that it won't mess up later on. I just want to make sure that it's all there just in case. I'm not bringing it to the outer corners of my eyes because I would like to keep that part dark. Next, I'll be going in with the Morphe M204 brush, and that's what it looks like. And I'll be taking the Kat Von D Lock-It setting spray to wet my brush so that the gold eyeshadow is more pigmented when I apply it to my lids. And I'm going to be dipping back into the Juvia'S palette, and I'll be taking that gold color there at the bottom. And I'm just going to apply that to exactly the same place that I put the concealer. Next, I'll be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glitter Adhesive. And I'll be using that on the same spot where I put the gold eyeshadow, of course, so I can apply the glitter. And for my glitter, I'll be using the Jlarue Disco Ball, and this is their old packaging. I had bought this a long time ago, but it is such a pretty gold iridescent glitter. And I'm just using that same brush that I had the gold eyeshadow on because it is damp, so it'll pick up the glitter easily for me. Now I'm going in with the Ole Henriksen Truth on the Glow cleansing cloths to wipe off the excess glitter that fell on my face, as well as to clean the eyeshadow. And now I'll just be speeding through the entire process of doing my face. I'm going back into the same palette using that same brown color, and I'll be applying that under my waterline and just blending that out. And yes, right here, I actually did wipe that brush on my eye, but now I'll be going in with the Fenty Beauty Flyliner to do my winged eyeliner. And I'm not actually going to bring this wing all the way to the front. I'm just gonna bring it halfway for a more dramatic effect. And next, I'll just be going in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to prep my eyelashes for the false lashes that I'll be applying. While I am waiting for my eyelash glue to tack up a little bit, I'll be setting my face with the Kat Von D Lock-It setting spray that I used earlier and putting that same mascara on my bottom lashes. And here I am, just applying my eyelashes. It's really crazy how much lashes make a difference to your look. And last but not least, I'll be going in with this BareMinerals gloss, and it's in the color 24 Karat. And I'm just applying that on my lips. I'm not using a liner or anything, just the gloss. And here is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you'll give this look a try. It is very glamorous, yet very simple. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Of course, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.